Okay, Scrambler fans, it's video number 2 on the Scrambler full fairing project. So we've got our bikini fairing at the moment, just to use for assembly. We've got a bracket for the front headlight, and we've got a bracket for the front headstock. That's going to be the beginnings of our front subframe. Now we need to find out the angle this has to attach here. This is movable at the moment, which is helpful. So we attach this onto here, and then we've got to find the right angle to sit the fairing at to weld these together basically. And then we've got most of our front subframe. Then it's a matter of position, put a couple of arms on, and away we go. So that's our tricky one for today. Vroom vroom. Okay, here we have our very precise jig to hold both pieces at the right angle. And we think that's right. We are also 100% certain this is where everyone will roll their eyes and go, what are these clowns doing? Blame him. So basically, I think that's the right angle. We've measured the angle with our special angle measuring tool. Just a cable tie. And that corner to the center of here is bang on. And we've got a couple of little grooves cut in here to center it, so we think that's about right. Chances of this working?
50-50 I reckon.
But hey, it's only time and metal. Whack her on, Glenn. How's that? Pretty good. Bingo bongo. That's okay. We've got plenty of clearance around here. This is flat, which is what we want. And then the lines down here aren't too fussed because we can always reshape this once we get our final mould. I think that is pretty good. Let's take you for a little tour. There we go, we've got our hoop. And it's braced onto the front headstock. Thank you, Ducati, for your tubular frame. We've got a basic hole cut. Great. There we go. We've got a bikini fairinged scrambler.